Hello everyone. The item I found was a transfer card from USB to USB-C, and everything is inside this package here. So let's open it and let's see inside to see what exactly we have. Oops. Okay, it's not big. That's going to be the... Wait, I just want to see. And here, voila. So that's going to be the USB and to transfer to USB-C. So to USB-C, that's going to be good for Android, like Samsung or any kind of phone or tablet. And when it's time to transfer here, that's going to be good for a computer. Okay, so let me show you exactly. So this side is for USB, and on the other side is USB-C. So all cell phone Android or tablet Android, that's going to be perfect. So the only thing you need to do is plug it in. Let me show you. Voila. So I'm going to bring down this here. Et voilà, package on ajouté. You can see I don't have any picture or any music on it. So the only thing I need to do is go on my computer, plug it in on USB, and transfer this to all the way directly to USB-C. So the one I have now, it's a USB-C or USB. The USB transfer is 3.1 high speed, and the one I have is 128 gig of memory. I forgot to tell you. And what they gave you, a keychain. They give you that too, so it's okay. Let's put it all together, and then voila. So that's going to be my review about the USB card transfer memory. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another one. Ciao.